Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will discuss with you about growth and development. So growth and development is basically associated with quantitative and qualitative factors of humans, characteristics and behavior. But when we talk separately about growth and development, growth is quantitative factor which is associated with biological aspects such as physiological or physical development, such as motor skills, and growth factors are measurable and it is not continuous because it gets stopped after a certain age. Whereas development is both quantitative and qualitative, it is measurable and accessible, it is a broader term than growth, and it is continuous throughout life of an individual, and it involves complex maturation of structure and functions. Now here are some factors which influences both growth and development, and these factors are heredity, that is gene factors or inherited factors from parents into the offspring. Next is social interaction. It is about how an individual interacts in the society. Intelligence is about intellectual or cognitive development. Emotions are associated with both positive or negative emotions. Positive emotions are like happiness, joy, hope, whereas negative emotions are like fear, anger, sadness. So, these are all the factors that are influencing growth and development. Now, these 2 points are very important. We associate nature with inherited factors, and nurture is associated with environment factors. Now here you can see the stages of growth and development. So infancy is from birth to 2 years, childhood is from 3 to 12 years, adolescence is 13 to 19 years, adulthood 20 to 60 years, and aging or old age is 60 plus. So I hope in a very brief manner you are able to understand that what is growth and development along with the factors which are influencing it. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe.